Welcome to Zeo Route Planner. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use the capacity optimization feature, also known as vehicle capacity. This tool ensures that every route you plan is optimized according to the actual load your vehicles can legally carry, preventing overloads and keeping your deliveries efficient. Let's begin by setting up your vehicles. Navigate to Settings and click on Vehicles. If you would like to add a new vehicle, select Add. Here you will need to enter the vehicle details such as its name, type, number, and capacity. One of the most important fields is the maximum capacity. This represents the absolute maximum load your vehicle can carry. You will also notice an option for marginal capacity. Marginal capacity is the safe limit. For example, if your maximum capacity is 2,500, the marginal capacity is 80%. That means you can legally and safely load only up to 2,000 units. The system will never plan routes that go beyond this margin. Once you have entered all the required details, click Save. After saving, go to the Drivers section. Here, you have to assign vehicles to all drivers. Simply select each driver from the list, open their profile, and choose the vehicle you want to link with them. The system automatically takes into account the capacity limits of every vehicle across your fleet. Now let's move on to creating a route. Go to the Playground, then the Stops tab, and click on Upload Stops. It is important that your stop list includes the capacity for each order. Your Excel sheet should have a dedicated column for this information. To upload, click on Browse File, select your Excel sheet, and upload it. Once the file is uploaded, verify that the capacity column has been detected correctly. Values should always remain below the marginal capacity you have set. Then click Proceed. Confirm the mapping of your data fields and submit. Now click on Select All to select every stop in the list at once. Once all stops are selected, click on Auto Optimize. Choose drivers from the list and click Assign Driver. Always check on top left that the order capacity is less than the vehicle's maximum and marginal capacity. If any single order is larger than the vehicle capacity, that stop cannot be assigned. Zeo will leave those stops unassigned so you can replan. Enter the starting location, which is usually where your driver begins the route, and the ending location, which is where the route will finish. Then, set the start date and time to tell the system when the route should begin, and the end date and time to define when the deliveries are expected to be completed. Finally, click Save and Optimize. Zeo will now process your data and generate an optimized route that respects all vehicle capacity limits. This ensures that no vehicle is overloaded and that every delivery is distributed in the most efficient way possible. And that's it. You have now successfully learned how to use the capacity optimization feature in Zeo Route Planner. By applying this tool, you can keep your deliveries safe, compliant, and efficient, all while making the best use of your fleet. Happy routing with Zeo.